Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with Dwayne. So today I'm here in Quezon Park. I meet the beautiful lady. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Maria Lenda Riquelme,
How old are you?
19,
19 years old. When you're the 19 years old?
June.
June?
Yes.
This June?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. And then you're still studying?
no,
Your stop. What grade your stop?
graduated.
High school?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
senior high rather.
Yeah, you're graduating the senior high.
Yeah.
And then if you're back to the school, it's college. And then why you stop? You not continue the college?
Kulay kuan.
Financial
Kulang,
problem.
yes.
I see. If you back to the school, what course you get?
Education.
Wow, she like a teacher, guys. Why?
Yes. Kay ever since akong pangandoy is kanang ganahan mo tudlo sa mga bata.
Oh. So, if you get the teacher, where you like for the teach? In the mountain or here in the city?
Mountain.
In the mountain?
Yes.
You're not feeling hard going up in the mountain for the tips for the kids?
Okay raman. Naanad
Just
man.
okay, guys.
Yeah.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Bayawan City, Barangay Kansumali.
So you
Yes.
mean you living in the province in the Bayawan? It's not the city.
Yeah.
From in the city, how many hours go to the like the barangay?
Yes, mga 2 hours.
2 hours, guys. I see. And then now you're working here in the Dumaguete?
Mm.
What kind of job?
Mga easy ra,
Like
like maninda,
like what?
peanuts.
She's a parcel, guys. The peanut,
Yeah.
peanut butter or peanut.
Yeah, peanut butter,
And then what else?
like salted peanuts.
Wow. Like how much the peanut butter?
It's like there is 120.
120.
Oh yeah.
And then the other
The
peanut.
small one is 80.
Ah,
Ang mga manikay na ay tag 20, napod siya
per
tag
kilo.
50.
The other another peanut, guys, like peanut seed. How much the per kilo?
I think 2 plus, 200 plus.
Because I would like to buy because my husband he like the peanut seed. Yeah, peanut
Yes.
seed.
Daghan dito.
She a lot, guys. Okay. Wait. It's a lot people watching. And for example, if you have customer, how to your offer your customer your parcel the peanuts?
Ala, dili dyan.
It's okay. She's laughing, guys. She's a friendly. Okay. If for example, now you have a customer, how to your entertain the customer?
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Wow.
morning, sir. Naatay mga bagong mani diri, ma'am. Naray tag 20, tag 50, ma'am. Bago pa ni siya, ma'am.
Wow. She tell guys, ma'am, sir, I have a fresh peanuts. You're working in the parcel the peanuts. It's so easy or so hard?
Sayon raman siya.
Easy.
Butaan ra pud among amo.
Wow. She tell me, guys, the owner is very kind.
Yes.
Good. And then how many years for working there?
Mo usa ka tuig na.
1
hapit.
year?
Yeah.
Wow, 1 year. Good. And then you save the money and then next year you back to the school? Wow.
Kaloyan.
Yeah. It's really, guys, up to God. Yeah.
Yes.
Just only pray to God because you're 19 years old. You
Yes.
have a year for coming good future. But it's nice you're graduating the college, right? Because if the graduating the college,
Pwede ka makakuan ba sa gas.
yeah, it's so easy for the find a work because high school graduate, like my girlfriend to my youngest brother, she's graduating the high school, but it's so hard for the find a job.
Lisod jud siya.
Yeah. And then you're graduating the high school. What is your average? It's okay at us.
91.
It's good. 91.
Yes.
Wow, she's
With
smart.
honor.
Wow. Wow. Wow, 91. You're smart. You not plan for like working student? You not
Dili.
like?
Di ko ganan. Di ta ka-focus ako.
Oh, that's true, guys. To me, guys, I ask, you not like for join like working student. To me, guys, it's so hard. Yeah, she not focus because like every day you parcel the peanuts and then at night you study. You not focus. So it's nice for your stay in your house and then you the school. You have a
Yes.
time for relax and then you focus to the study. So, what is your favorite subject? Because I think she's very smart, guys. Because 91 smart, and then she will like the teacher someday. Wow. For separate the teacher, what do you like for get the course?
Maybe math.
Ay, your favorite the mathematics. Okay. What else? English.
Dili sa
You not like English language? How about science?
lisod kay na.
So hard? Oh. So you mean only the math? Wow, you
Pero
good.
dili. Kanang
So you mean you good counting? So you good so you mean you good for apply for a bank? Yeah, the bank because the
Yes.
bank is counting the money.
pero
And
kuan.
then like Cebuana. Yeah. So you mean if you're like separate for your the course the teacher education, what else you like? Sa pala mo ganahan?
Midwife.
Midwife. Oh, she like midwife. So Mayalin, what is your favorite?
What?
Anything. What is your favorite? Favorite food?
Like food.
Yeah, food.
Ah,
You like mang inasal?
Yes, may inasal.
Why? Why do you like the mang inasal?
Kay
Because only rice?
yes, dayon kuan kanang every magtrabaho ko maninda kog mani kaya kung uyab magdala na ba. Dalaan ko yung paniadto.
Wow! She have the boyfriend, guys. She's taken already.
Yeah.
Wow. Congrats. How
Thank
many
you.
years for your boyfriend?
Bago pa 8 months pa.
8 months? Getting long. 8 months.
Yes.
Wow. Where the country your boyfriend?
USA.
USA. Yay! USA. I think someday you come to the USA.
Someday.
Yeah. What if your boyfriend he proposed with you, Marilyn, you marry me, I bring you in my country. What is your answer?
Not now, but soon.
When the maybe soon,
yes.
next year, 2 years for
So,
waiting,
5 years.
5 years. Because you like for the study
Yes.
first, you like for graduating for the college. So yeah, it's good for waiting 5 years. Oh, okay. Wow, your boyfriend is very kind, no? Where you meet your boyfriend?
Here.
Here? Where? I need complete.
Customer.
Really?
He's
Okay.
brother.
Can you share about that? Okay.
Ala.
He's a customer, guys, the boyfriend. And then the purse.
Anang first kay
The
kuan.
purse.
Abira ko palit siya og balig 100.
Okay.
Unya, iyang gikuha nga man ni kay tag 20. Pero
Pesos.
ang sukli sa 100 wala na niya gikuha og balik kaya kuha na daw.
Keep the chance.
Then pagkaugma balik na
Okay.
pud siya, palit na pud siya.
Okay.
Dayon. Pagkasunod pagpalit niya,
Okay.
nangay na siya sa akong cellphone number.
Oh, 3 times he come back.
Yes.
And then the 3 times po he come back, he asked to Mayalin for the cell number. Wow. And then
Start calling.
What is your reaction? What is your reaction?
Hilom-hilom ra ko kay di mo ka in English.
Yeah. And then you're feeling
In love, yeah.
Yeah. You're feeling in love? You're feeling in love? Because the foreigner is long nose.
Yes.
So
So,
you la-
cute.
Oh, what the first you like?
The blue eyes.
Blue eyes. That is the all my interview, guys. Blue eyes. Why? Because the blue eyes is attractive.
Yes.
And then the
attractive.
second,
Their
nose.
nose.
Wait, by the
So
way, your
long.
nose is long.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, she's a long nose, guys.
It's like born again.
Born again. So what day your church? What a day?
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday? Like Catholic. Because Catholic is every Sunday, right? Oh, I see. So guys, that is the video today for
Thank you,
interview
guys.
to Maria Len. This nice story. And guys, see you next video. Bye-bye.